Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is formatting table. In this video we will learn how to format a table. So to change the format style, click on the table. When we click on the table, we have the design tab activated. Here you will find many different table styles. Whichever styles you take the mouse over, so you can see this preview. Clicking on this will give you more styles. Clicking on whatever you want. Now here you find these options. There are different options. You will select any of these checkboxes. There will be special formatting on it, like the checkbox on it. You can see the last column. There is special formatting on it. When we remove it, it's like before. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.